Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to save Facebook story photo in gallery. The first thing will be to open the Facebook application, then we will click on the story we want to save. Once inside, we will click on the three upper points. Then click on the Save Photo option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, we can go to our phone gallery where we will find the story downloaded as a photograph. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.